Self-optimizing enterprises, building the business that builds itself. I didn't grow up dreaming about automation, systems, or AI. I dreamed about doing meaningful work, creating things that lasted, and spending my days with people I loved, doing work that mattered. But when I got deep into the trenches of entrepreneurship, first in the fitness world, then in consulting, strategy, operations, and leadership, I realized something that changed everything. Most founders are prisoners in the very businesses they created. You start with a dream of freedom. Then the business takes over your calendar, your bandwidth, your mental health. Suddenly, you're not the builder, you're the bottleneck. And that realization hit me hard. So I started asking a different question, not just how do I grow this business, but how do I make it run without me? How do I build something that optimizes itself, something that actually gets better the less I touch it? That question has consumed me ever since. We live in a new era. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And the same tools that are displacing workers, collapsing departments, and rewriting industries are also empowering a new generation of lean, high-leverage founders to build smarter, to create enterprises that are automated, adaptive, self-aware. Enterprises that don't require the founder to be in every meeting, make every decision, or put out every fire. We call them self-optimizing enterprises. But what that really means is this. It's a business with systems that learn, a business that diagnoses its own bottlenecks, that executes routine tasks autonomously, that delivers insights to the founder before problems arise. It's a platform where every moving piece feeds back into the whole, allowing the organization to evolve, not just scale. This is not a fantasy. It's not just some VC pitch buzzword salad. It's real. It's practical. It's being built every day by founders who understand that their business is not just a job or a hustle, it's an asset. And like any great asset, it should grow in value, generate returns, and become increasingly independent over time. But here's the caveat. This can't happen without intentionality. Self-optimizing enterprises don't emerge by accident. They are architected, mapped, refined. They are the fruit of strategic clarity, wise stewardship, and principled leadership. And that's why our work exists. Because when you pair servant leadership with wise stewardship, and you give that leader the tools and systems to automate intelligently and optimize relentlessly, you don't just build a more efficient business, you build freedom. Freedom to take the day off, to take your kids to the park on a Tuesday, to read that book, write that book, go on that trip, to step back from the chaos and into the creative, generative space where real leadership happens. This isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that your business is getting better every week, even when you're not looking. It's about building something that serves you, not the other way around. So when we say we help servant leaders wisely steward self-optimizing enterprises, what we're really saying is we believe in a different kind of business. One that liberates instead of entraps. One that compounds instead of depletes. One that gets better by design. If that's the kind of business you want to build, you're not alone. That's the future we're here to build together.